In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva website template to Google Site 2026. By the end, you'll take a polished Canva website design and display it right inside your Google site using a simple embed code. Start by heading to Canva's Templates page. In the search bar at the top, type Website. This pulls up a collection of website-style designs specifically laid out for web viewing. Browse until you find a design that fits your brand or purpose. You can preview thumbnails to get a feel for the layout, colors, and whether it includes multiple sections or pages. When you've found the one you want, open it and select Customize this template. That brings the design into the Canva editor. Make any quick brand tweaks you need. Swap in your logo, update colors, and adjust headlines. You can always refine more later, but it helps to have the basics in place before you embed. Next, look to the top right corner and click Share. A share panel will open. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click See All to expand the available choices. From that list, choose Embed. On the Embed screen, click Embed again to generate the HTML code. Canva will provide a snippet that displays your live interactive design. Click Copy to place that code on your clipboard. Tip: leave this browser tab open so you can return to make edits if needed. Any future design changes you publish in Canva will typically reflect in the embed. Now switch to your Google site and open the page where you want the Canva design to appear. In the editor, choose Embed. When the dialog opens, select the Embed Code tab rather than the URL tab. Paste the embed code you copied from Canva into the box. Click Next to load a preview and let Google Sites process the code. If everything looks good, click Insert to place it on your page. From here, you can position the embedded section within your layout just like any other element. If the content feels a bit tight or cropped, consider giving it more space on the page so the design can breathe. For a cleaner look, align it with your existing columns and headings so the page reads naturally from top to bottom. That's the full workflow. Pick a website template in Canva, customize it, grab the embed code, and drop it into Google Sites using the Embed Code option, followed by Next and Insert. Publish your site when you're ready, and your Canva website design will appear seamlessly to your visitors.